Hello everyone. We're here now to uh, cut a big portion of the ribeye steak. So this is how we cut it.
And then I'll take this and I'll put it in the steaks.
Here it is. Big portion beef ribeye whole. So we buy this one at Costco. It's averaging 20 pounds. So we're gonna break this down into how many ribeye steak. So probably an average 15. There it is. This is how big it is. Right?
Today I'm going to share my top 100 tips to help you cook the perfect steak.
May dako diri na.
Number one might sound silly, but I swear
Look,
by it.
diri
Don't
ba?
forget to have fun. So,
For honing.
as we cook
Honing first, honing. So we start
I'll start by separating pieces of
honing
the
this one.
The first is what I call the fancy cut.
This is called a butcher's knife. Right?
You see this cut into sections and sold as a pop, which is great. But I'm going to show you how to taste it. Pull out some individual muscles. Because some of these tasty steaks out of here that you don't see. There's a lot of different cuts out of here, and I want a little extra space. The other thing you'll need is
Next, we got to remove this. From its plastic container. Woo-hoo-hoo. There we have it. Just got to remove this from plastic. Right. Just lots of blood. We don't want to spill the blood. There you go. Alright. Here it is. Here's the ribeye steak here. It's a bigger portion here. Okay. Okay, move a little bit. So here it is, our 20 pounds ribeye steak. And we need to break it down into pieces. Can start from honing. Not sharpening the honing. Okay. Sa honing ay?
Mako na to! Kita ka video!
Tang-tang-tang pa na ko ni, kini mga ngilit-ngilit.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So we need...
Na, ikaw, kani ba? Pwede mo na nimo ibuwag ni mo na nga seksyon. Pero pwede pong ikata na ni mo dito.
Diretsura, no?
Oo.
Dito, para way saya, no? Way usik.
Mm.
Inigluto. Kaong ko tanan.
Kauno yung tanan.
Yeah, okay. So,
Ikaw kung sa kadako ni mo, kinakakuan mo nang kuan na yun. Oo.
okay.
Mm.
So for me, I choose not
Beer ka
to...
una?
Pwede po.
Mm.
For me, I choose not to remove all this.
Yeah,
Fats.
just eat it. Just eat it.
Yeah.
It's so good. It's so good.
Because we started to practice becoming a carnivore diet.
Mm.
And this is how it is. With a pair of beer. Nevada. Okay. Now, we go in this section here.
Mm.
First
Open it for
section.
you. Drink.
Okay. You need to drink beer first, okay?
Ako video rin.
Very good.
Tanam ko ni mo ba?
So, the size depends on you. If you want it thick or not so thick, depends on you.
Pwede ka, ano mo daan ba? Pila man ka gusto di mo? Ipo ni mo daan kuha na ni mo.
Ihapon na to daan. Okay. So, one, slice mo na ako daan ngay.
Gamay ra. Kung kakita ka na ron, timailan ra ni mo ba?
Okay nga ni. Okay na ni.
Ikaw, bahala.
Okay na.
Ikaw man kaon.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. One. Two.
Ara, dito ana ra na. Di mo ra mag-iana gyapon. Dito na.
Oh, lagi.
Oh,
Dito na. Okay.
Oh.
One down.
Nipis mo na lagi.
Yeah.
Your corner.
Just the corner. Okay. Here it is.
The other thing you'll need is knives. I've got two for the purpose. I've got one flexible boning knife that I use for finishing stuff. And then I've got a second knife that's a little bit larger. I like using one like this because it makes it easy to cut one small screw. Let's get started first with the shot out. So one I will do is
All right.
separate out the muscle.
One ribeye steak. See that? How big it is? It's much cheaper than buying piece by piece. Okay. There it is. Mas maya dito ngayon nga. Ano pa no? Kung huwag na gamay ba? There we go. Third steak. It's very big. Poor man's ribeye. Okay.
The ribeye would continue into here and stop, and then this is where the chuck begins. That's that really nice chuck I see. Ideally, you can only get 2 to 3 steaks out here, and I like to think that I'm gonna have 2 chuck I see.
There it is.
That's about an inch and a half thick. And I love
Our fourth steak.
it. It's very much like a ribeye. You get all of that great marble.
See those fats there?
Chuck eye, it starts to thin out,
Woo.
get a little more narrow, and you lose that muscle definition that you see in the chuck eye. So here you have the chuck eye roast. So this could be used as a pot roast as is, or another thing that's great about it is if you have a small pot roast, you can cut sections and have smaller servings. And this makes a great little pot roast. And then you got everyone serve more people.
There you go.
So I'm gonna dive back into the rest of it.
Our fifth steak.
Out of this section, you get a lot of good steaks. And with whatever I have left over for shrimp, I'll probably save for stew meat unless you have a grinder.
Adjust.
Processor, then you can use it for ground meat. What I look for is this one.
Doing some beer again.
So this is the serratus ventralis, which is called tenders. So from there, I'm gonna look for this layer of fat, and then I'll see some meat that has some silver skin kind of shining on top. I will trim that off first before I get down into that tender.
Murag din tayo na ako sa no? Very soon man kuha na ni.
Bito.
Sierra
Oo niya. Mga gagmay na section ba? Dili.
Ngilit-ngilit, no?
Oo.
Here it is.
Pero pwede na napakadubo ka no? Kaya bliton pakadubo.
Aka na, ano, pangatubo. Kanang imuhang pang kanang pangpista ba?
Oo.
Ito nga nang lutuan nga eh. Fighter kaya na. Nga maoran lami. Barato pa. Kining steak lahi man kay.
Oo.
Pang, ano man eh. Pang fine dining man eh. Here you go. This is our, oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 steak. So big. Woohoo. There you go. How beautiful it is.
This is a steak that you can use very much like a flank steak or a flat iron. Got that similar steak. Grain runs with the length of it, so that you can easily just grill it and slice it and serve it with that. Next thing we're going to get into are the devastation cells. At this
Our 8th steak.
there's just a thick layer of
See the fats here, the layers.
Sockeye, Sierra, and then the dentin. The trim pile I'm creating
Alright.
some lean. There's a good amount of fat to this, so some of that
Woo.
fat I discard, some of the lean I'll keep because this will make a nice stew meat, and I want my ratio to be appropriate. If I was going to grind this, I don't want it 50-50. I want it like 70% lean, 30% fat, or 80% lean, 30% fat. Here's another good piece.
Here you go.
Just whittling this down.
Our
trying to
ninth.
expose any lean underneath that layer of fat. And now that I'm getting there, I can really
How
start
big
to
our rib eye is.
kind of fans out. You see the main section,
Original cut.
and then it starts at an angle this way. So this whole section is going to be where
So cutting this or breaking it down depends on your preferences. If you want it thicker, then cut it thicker.
I like to cut right by that line, go down.
Okay, we're almost done.
This whole part makes for some great stew meat. It's still got some marbling, but it's a little bit leaner. So that makes great stew meat to eat for non-vegetarian. You can either cut long strips of paper, or what I'll do is
10th
take this
steak.
back piece, square it off. Again,
See how thick it is?
trim, whatever you're gonna use it for. I'll start at the small section. And I'll cut it.
Hiya! Okay. Sugod na tagkat ah.
Oh.
Gingana na nako para paguntanan. So way usik ba?
Ay,
Huwag ka ngay.
malika.
Ha?
Pagka man rin, nagkanipis.
Ah, nagkanipis.
Nipis na. Daghan na bro, pero
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
ma-overcook
6,
na.
7,
Iluto ni mo, nipis
8, 9, 10,
Oh, okay. So atong
mga
bakon.
1 inch.
1 inch, 1 inch. There we go.
Okay. Pero mas dili, mas convenient jud himo og steak to rib eye han.
Ribeye steak.
Oo.
Barat, kana gwapo na siya para adobo.
Oo, pang adobo. Sabi ha, ada ko ba?
Hagda yun.
Where is that?
Ruya ni kuya asawa no.
Binawakan kayo.
Luoy ni way asawa.
Duy, tira.
Per na ribeye steak.
Ang asawa na lang yun.
Yara.
Nay asawa na pa si rib eye.
Ah, sana na. Hindi, double package na.
Uy, aman, anak na yun, vacuum. Oh my God.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
Sino nagkaroon ka gahi mo kay nipis ka kinatan.
Okay, ako na may mukha ko ngayon.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
But
8,
one month
9, 10,
siguro
11,
na
12, 13.
ang supply yard.
Mo ba?
Kung usa ka inana ka kada adlaw og duha.
Oo.
Pila mo na kinadakuan no? Oh? Ginoo.
Oh, sus.
Oh.
Mhm.
Kada ulit.
Kani may the best.
Oo.
Oo, kani may the best nga cut daw. Kaya, baga gamay.
Ano akong i-set up ani si Raya kung vacuum nga dili siya tumog ato audi ato po sa to. Ani kung magkat ato tumog vacuum.
Hapit na.
Yeah, oh, magmatadil.
Pwede na ba? Oh, jis mo na ya. Tag $10 per slice.
Ikaw ang dira? Usa.
Wala kong tubig niya.
Di ko magpalalang Raya. Matay itong bus na yun. Sabot ni alauna ra. Sus, alas 3 na nakatog. Kakuya sa mga lawas lagi ito.
Umawa.
Ang ubi ko taman-taman nga eh.
Ayaw, hangover di ka to guys.
Labaw.
Nalingaw, makastorya ni Tita Ib.
Ang naamang ka. Sige mo duwag. Tita eh, pagkain ko. Alas 12 pa, muli na ko. Muli na ko na siya alas 12. Abdag alas 3.
Ano,
Ang
drive
kay-
pa siya alas 3?
Ang tape kay Demokrato.
Pareha mong Demokrat o parehas lang Republican?
Demokrat siya.
Si Jawa, pareha may Republican. Nga Trump eh. Patay si Taib. Kaya si Ariel, mangaway makangay. Dili, patay.
Kasi mga patyon na, basta cross border po sila, diretso.
Oo, okay, di ba? Kinalan, para mo implement ka sa law, mo man international law.
Ay, gipasa na nimo ako nakagipabasa nga di lagi pwede po sila lagi. Ikaw. Gipatay si Charlie Kirk nga.
Ha?
Charlie Kirk, waka ka mo garon.
Charlie
Grabe, gipatan ako ni Andre
No.
so
Piha no?
video. Uy, grabe.
Kisa man na Charlie Kirk, eh.
Uy,
Kuan kanang
kabay.
aktivista.
Ah, aktivista?
Republican. Oo.
Republican.
Hmm.
So, ano day siya? Loud kay siya.
Mm.
Allowed, as in, kuan
Loud
yun.
yun, oo.
Oo.
Dagan siya naliksan day.
Oh.
No.
As in, mo, kuan yun.
So, kana gibaligya to siya sa third party.
Mao na ko posibilidad yun. Hindi man kakamong gamit ang kutsilyo ngay.
First time.
An kasi mga viewers hindi ko mong gamit kutsilyo.
Muna siya kanang pag
Di kay,
Slice.
paano na, process man na, karon yun, anak mo siya binuntan, with documentation man na.
yeah.
Wala nang tangtangi o ko no? Wala nang tangtangi
Wala na
ng silver
tanan.
screen.
Wala na. Kay
Diretso na.
kanon tanan.
Anak gear.
The best. Way usik. Okay?
Kana magkanipis, magkalisod na putlon.
Kani.
Dili pwede tungaon.
Pwede god, ganang na siya tibok tiyara ko na jaon na.
Dako kayo, oh.
Oo. Kana ngay mo na section sa chakros sa
Oh, kana sumpay man dito. Aw. Sakto to sa real. Oh, gabi ang rib eye. Oh, yung mara na rib eye pero ang ngilit-ngilit to, sobra-sobra. Kuy. Yummy.
Mali ba mukhaon karon magsugba ka to?
Ito subangan na lang.
Di ko masug di damo ko kinaghan mukhaon.
Ato pulutan gud.
Pwede po di mo na ron na tungaon pero dali na putlon.
At tunga na lang.
Anaon mo, anaon.
No, paana ba?
Paana ba?
Horizontal lang.
Ah.
Anak di tungaon ni mo anak, usa ni mo
Usa pa,
anak.
tunga sa ni mo anak.
Kana.
Tunga ko sana ko ni ana.
Wait. Tidak ha. Kita ka mo man ni ang
Sobra.
mo man ni rib eye nga section.
Di kini rib eye.
Kani putlon ni mana. Ang anak
Di
niya.
na rib eye, man ni rib eye nga section kini.
Oh, narad eh. Oh, kana anak ni mo putlon.
Kita.
Ari ni mo putlon. Oh. Kana imo ra na birahon.
Oh, bidhon ako dito.
Oh, anak ra trima gamay kato gamay.
Gamay.
Ito, anak. Oh, nabira imo ra na birahon na.
Bidhon na ni.
Oh, na.
Ano di purpose ng gamay di ay? Saan naman to?
Di ko mong gamit ang kutsilyo. Di ba? Kana ingonan kana anak na
Muna
mo.
indot, kaya pa
Oh.
Gusto ka na,
Mat kini.
para adobo na or para
Kana anak na pud nimo na. O steak ya pud na duha ka steak na nga.
duha ka steak
Gagmay.
na.
Oh, di ba?
Datis na. Pahit
Pero
yan.
po bako kaya masuda na.
Okay.
Tunga. Half.
Half. Madapat yung half day. Humok na po kayo ni na
Di pros again.
na to kayo.
Isandig, ato nga para mas dali. Isandig di mo ato usahan.
Oh, ano
Di mo lihok pa.
Oh, di mo lihok. Ano, di tiklik ka na eh.
Magyapon.
Maglihok lagi.
Ah!
Maglihok na. Kato lang, balikon ako katong nga itong
Ana,
style.
ana.
Kani. Yan, kay diretso ra. Alright. Okay.
Matod pa itong gakat ganihan, di ba? Muna dyan favorite section.
Favorite section.
Duol sa kuan.
Ang last to
Last to. Duol sa
sa
Chacros.
Chacros.
Hmm.
Ang tomahawk mo na dito, dummiest steak.
Dami steak.
Dummiest steak.
Oh.
Oh, di ba? Oh, kana. Oh, tanawan mo na.
Oh, sa tunga na po na ni.
Ano na po, tanawan na mo. Oh, di ba?
That's kalami.
Oh, baga dyan mo. Kuy. Ana.
Kuy.
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 Grabe no, grabe pero no.
Ito grabe. Ano gitawag nga twinning?
Galive ka.
Dili, ga-record na po.
Okay.
Mag-vacuum na rin ka, naghuman.
Vacuum na. Ano, human na.
Magpula na po gloves.
Magpuli na po gloves. Okay.
Mga pila ka buk yung steak na himo.
Takitagana kayo eh. Grabe eh.
Sa kabuuan ni mong kinauna na, steak, liman ka Ryan, steak kada adlaw pa rin ito.
Oh, carnivore diet na to.
Dato kayo kay steak kada adlaw kaon. Ha?
Kada adlaw ka.
Imagine na nga eh.
Oh.
Karon na ikaw gakat ano, 20 na kabuk no.
Oh.
Mura na kag tag-G's kada kaon.
Gani.
Kay 200 na kapin, mura kag tag-G's.
Barato rin.
Asa ka kakaon og tag-G's nga steak.
$10.
Hmm.
Dako pa.
Nya, kuan pag yun, rib-eye pag yun.
Rib eye pa rin.
Tag-G's nga rib-eye, liman ka.
Unsa man na? Sana dili pa na siya timplahan before i-vacuum na dili.
Di na. So, ato na i-vacuum. Pulihan na ito
Mm.
gloves. Eh. Magpuli ta gloves.
Pero mabalik, nak-ari ka diri, makita ko ana, di mo ko